Look for alternatives. Determine the correct strategy. Make the right move and accomplish victory. Opportunities are boundless. While visiting many countries and regions of the world, when we utter the word Belarus, it often refers not only about the country, but first comes to mind our tractor. It had first begun with the creation of an engine, such as the starting engine, PZ-10. Then, we did produce forest tractors. But the true story of the tractor factory had begun when we had started to design and manufacture tractors on wheels. Today we manufacture different tractors, from power tillers to tractors with scrap frame, and finally tractors with comfortable cabin protector with spherical lenses that provide noise reduction. Our product line is multiple and various, from 80 to 100 different models. There are certain common requirements, such as the safety, compliance of standards, certification tests that must be passed. Some prefer products that are more sophisticated, automated, with comfortable working conditions, such as air conditioning, compartment-sprung seat, pressurized cabin. There are markets with lesser demands, where the main objective is the reliability and simplicity. Fill up the diesel fuel and let it work for 10 years. This is a real dream. The way one reacts on the changing situation on the chessboard. This is a sign of your qualification at the game, whether one plays well or not. Our designers department is a real power base, and that allows us to respond promptly to the demands of different markets. We successfully apply such technologies that can significantly reduce time from the design of a model to its complete production cycle. With the application of modern software, the virtual tests allow us to perform calculations quickly. Having a vast test base is an asset. Moreover, there are hundreds of stands at the tractor production plant, which allows us to test separately transmission alone, transmission assembled, and tractor unit itself. To evaluate the new innovative design nowadays, it requires only 2 months and not 10 years as before. Firstly, Minsk's tractor factory produces a very wide range of tractor units which are reliable and simply maintained. People who work in the agriculture sector, they are used to have a service center nearby. In case something happens, contact specialists is very easy. Often at exhibitions, one could hear such an exclamation: "Yes, it is beautiful and a good tractor." What one is to do if something goes wrong, if there is no dealership service nearby? There is no technical support to fix a problem. Then the tractor remains only as a beautiful machine. As of today, we export to more than 80 countries, and our dealerships are ready to provide service and support worldwide. As with other machines, they may work only during its warranty period, and once it's over, It requires a capital investment. The amount of money spent on repair? Well, instead, one could buy a new tractor Belarus that will never fail until its final days. Our machines should be time durable, but also be comfortable, simply not only maintained and meet the highest environmental standards. Such are tasks we set during the designing stage of each new model. Quality is in our people. Each knot, every gadget, every detail is given special attention. Only professionals of higher qualification work in our plant. What a real pride it is for us when one drives on the highway and sees our red 300 horsepower tractor pulling an implement, and that one tractor on a vast field does its work alone and successfully accomplishes its task. Most difficult in chess is to find or choose between two equal moves in strength, approximate one in order to continue the game. Such a move is often the only correct one.